Hey guys, how's it going? One more for the night, and then I'm done. It's getting a little late. I'm tired, so I'm gonna call it quits for the evening. But before I go, I just want to show you this last thing. So as I thought, the chemical stripper is not really attacking the primer much. It's scraping it a little bit. You can see the different colors here, but it's not doing what I want to do. So rather than waste material and time for this to really do nothing, I'm going to end up having to sand this with a heavy grit DA paper, like the 36, like I said. And the last thing I want to show you right here is the top of this fender. So I continued blocking it with 36 on a long board, 18-inch board actually. And I'm quite pleased with what I see here. So as you can see, this here, this is all bare metal. So that tells me that there's no excessive materials on top of this fender. So I'm liking that a lot. So that's going to save a lot of time, a lot of money for the customer, which, you know, that's what it's all about. A couple little small low spots, no big deal. It's going to get a skim coat anyway. But I'm going to just hold off my scratches here, my heavy scratches, keep the body filler with inside here, keep this little bit of paint, just enough to have something to roll over later so it's not so ugly with a hard edge, and then blend everything out on the hood as it goes. So guys, it's been great having you around. It's been great teaching you what I know. I hope you learned something, and that's what it's all about for me, just teaching and entertaining you as best I can, and showing you what I do. All right guys, you have a great night, have a blessed evening, and we will talk to you tomorrow in the next videos. See ya.